Hello everyone, today we will be assembling Ikea bed model Malm. This model is from 2017 until 2024, but the previous model is 99% the same design. So this video applies for those Ikea bed Malm. These are basically all the tools that we're gonna need to do all this process, and these are all the pieces that are included in the package. The first step, we're gonna need 6 pieces of this. To do this first step, we're gonna need a hammer, and we're going to proceed to install these pieces in these two long pieces, one on the left, one on the middle, one on the right, and the other piece we're gonna do the same, 3 pieces as well. The second step, we're gonna need the 8 pieces of 1, 2, 3, 4, 9, 1. We're gonna install the 8 pieces, 2 on each side in the same long pieces. Here 2 on the left, 2 on the left, that's 4, 2 on the right, and 2 on the right. That will be the 8 pieces used. We're gonna use this tool. We need to make sure that this reach until the end. For the next step, we're gonna do the wood dowel. We're gonna make sure to grab the smaller ones with a small diameter. As seen in the video, we're gonna install the dowels on the side pieces of the bed. And we're doing the same process in the other side of the bed. Now we're going to need this little circle, number piece 114670. We're going to install these pieces in the circle next to the dowels we previously installed. We need to make sure this arrow is pointing to the edge. We repeat the same process for the 4 corners. After the circle are inserted, we're gonna attach the side pieces, long pieces, to the front and back long pieces that we already prepared in the steps 1 and 2. For this step, maybe it's recommended that other person is holding the piece at the other side. With the Allen key, we're gonna tight the circles, and we're gonna do this process in the 4 corners. After this step, it should look something like this. Now we're gonna use the big dowels, and the function of this is to support the back piece. We're gonna need 5 pieces in total. Now we're going to need the pieces 114334, and we're going to install it in the big panel, 1 on the left, 2 in the middle, and one on the right. We're gonna install the pins until the end, the 4 pins, and then we're going to proceed to install the big panel in the top of the frame of the bed. I grab a blanket to start hammering and avoid damaging the panel. We're gonna need the 4 nuts and the 4 plastic as shown in the picture. Each pair is going to be installed in each hole to safely secure the top panel. Now we're going to install these 2 metal brackets. These 2 holes are gonna be attached here. We had 2 different levels. That's gonna depend of the thickness of our mattress. Based on my mattress thickness, I decided to put in the bottom. I'm now installing the rest of the screws. And we have to do the same process on the other side of the bed. Now we're gonna proceed to install this bracket with the same screws. One bracket goes in the front and the other bracket goes in the back. We're gonna have 2 different options, one in the top and one in the bottom, depend of the thickness of your mattress. Now we're gonna grab the smaller screws to proceed to install these rails and support. This slide we're gonna stand there, put it underneath from this hole to the other end. So we install the rails on the 4 sides. Now we proceed to install this middle metal support to the brackets. Now we're gonna need the rest of the bolts and the plastics. This will be installed easy as a regular bolt and a nut. We install the rest as shown in the diagram. As step will be installed a wood slab on each side that will support our mattress. Now our bed is ready. Thank you for watching Quick Do Yourself. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you next time.